Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by proving you own the sending domain and setting authentication. First, log into DNS and add SBF and DKIM records so recipients can verify your mail. This reduces spoofing and boosts trust. Once done, publish a DMARC policy. Start at a reporting-only percentage and increase to strict enforcement over days. Make sure to remove legacy sending IPs and align DNS with your ESB settings. These steps stop immediate rejections and open the path for reputation recovery. You now focus on warming and cleaning. Ramp sending slowly, move from 5% to full volume over 1 to 2 weeks because ISBs watch velocity. Meanwhile, segment recipients by engagement. Prioritize active users and suppress 30, 60, 90-plus day inactive groups. This reduces complaints. Also audit message content. Remove spammy phrases, limit images, use a clear text alternative and correct link domains to avoid phishing flags. Make sure to monitor bounce types and unsubscribe rates daily to guide adjustments. You finish by actively monitoring and responding. Check delivery, open rates, complaint rates, and bounces every day. Use ISB postmaster tools and feedback loops to see why mail lands poorly. Once metrics stabilize, optimize send time and content based on engagement. If you encounter a block, pause offending campaigns, rotate or warm new IPs, and request a listing from blacklists. Then audit headers and authentication alignment thoroughly. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Replicate a failing message to multiple test inboxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.